Okay, so let me give you the trig identities I feel like you need to know. Okay? So the first one I think you need to know comes straight out of the unit circle. So get your unit circle out quick. Put your axis in the right spot. Like over here maybe. I overcompensate. I'm sorry. So here's an angle theta, right? And this hypotenuse is 1. Where's this sine and cosine on this thing?
The sine is the vertical thing, and cosine is the horizontal thing.
Perfect. This bit's sine of theta, right? It's the vertical component. And this bit here is cosine of theta? Okay, so what can you tell me immediately from knowing the fact that this is a right triangle? Yeah, the Pythagorean identity. So if you apply the Pythagorean theorem to this, what do you get? Yeah. Sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta is 1. Okay, yeah, and then there's...
Yeah, I know, I get it.
Okay, so there's the sum of angles identity, which I also would like you to know, which you get from what? Yeah, so let's chase this picture out. So take a quarter of the unit circle. And the only reason I'm doing a quarter is it just makes my life a little easier. Draw one angle. So this is an angle alpha maybe. Then go from there another angle. Like maybe this one. We'll call that beta, right? You guys with me on this? Okay. And then add some stuff to this picture. I'm going to let you guys actually run through this. So the thing I need you to know is that this point here, right, should be what, comma, what if this is a unit circle?
That should be sine of a plus b.
So close. Sine is the which side of this thing? Yeah, that's the vertical, right? So that goes in the y slot. So in the y slot, I have sine of alpha plus beta.
And the other one is cosine.
And the other one should be cosine of alpha plus beta. You guys with me on that? How about this dot here? What do I know about that dot there?
It's
On the
cosine alpha,
Sine beta, or sine alpha.
perfect. Cosine alpha comma sine alpha?
Yeah.
Okay. So then the trick you need for this is you need to drop the appropriate verticals in here. So you need this cut off here, right, which actually goes through that dot. My bad. Does it go through that dot?
No.
No. What am I, nuts? Clearly nuts. Definitely doesn't go through that dot. How do I know it doesn't go through that dot?
Wouldn't make a right
Because
angle.
then it'd be like a tangent.
Yeah, I needed to make a right angle, right? You guys see that? That's not a tangent line. Okay. So it's got to go here, inside a little bit. And then you need, what else in here? You guys remember this picture?
I have all my notes from last night.
So you can look up this picture.
Yeah, I could.
Good.
So do I.
So I think what you need is this vertical,
Oh, now it's back.
Oh,
and you need another right triangle in here.
yeah, there it is.
Last one time, a bunch of different colors.
We did do this one in class one time with a bunch of different colors, and guess what we're going to do today?
Oh.
This one in class with a bunch of different colors. Okay? So let's fiddle this thing apart. What should we get? Do you guys remember what the sum of angles identities are?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's write them down quick just cause. So the sine of alpha plus beta,
Equals sine of alpha cosine beta
sine alpha cosine beta plus sine
beta
beta cosine alpha, and cosine of alpha plus beta.
Sine alpha, cosine alpha, right?
Minus.
Yeah. Sine beta.
Sine alpha sine beta
Plus.
minus
Minus.
The cosine.
Less homogeny in the world.
cosine alpha cosine beta.
Remember everything.
I'm looking at it in the book. As backwards. That's supposed to be cosines minus the sines.
Cosines minus sines. Thank you.
I'm gonna copy Joe and
I need to have more coffee.
I suppose you don't want me.
Yeah, so cosines,
I
right?
should agree too.
Yeah.
There,
Minus sines.
there is no justice in the world, right? And so, of course, the cosines come first and we subtract the sines.
Yes.
Cool. So, put these in your head somehow. Obviously, a flashcard would be the right answer. But this picture is also an option. Just make sure you remember how to do the picture.
Yeah.
Okay? So I'm going to give you guys a minute to play with this, and then we'll go through and relabel the picture up here.